subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, today's video is all about nail stamping kit review and its tutorial. So let's get started. So these are all the things I got it when I ordered a nail stamping kit. And if you want a detailed information about all of the things, just watch my nail art tools kit haul video. The link is in the description box. And for this you need a stamping plate, a stamper, scraper, few tissues, nail polish remover, and of course a nail polish. Firstly, you need to clear your stamper using the nail polish remover. And if your stamper is new one, this is mandatory, or else it doesn't pick up your nail paint. Now peel off the blue sheet over your stamping plate. And using a nail polish remover's wipe the designs you want to apply. And clean it up with the tissues. Apply your desired nail polish and let it dry. So let's start the stamping now. Now add some nail polish over the design and scrape it up using the scraper. You need to be quick over here or else your nail polish will dry off. This is my first time, so it didn't come out great, but you'll get a good hand over it with practice. Now quickly stamp it up over your nail. This is how it looks. And take a remover and clean up the excess nail paint over your nail. Also clean up the stamper and the stamping plate as well. It does take a lot of tissues, so what I did was I took out the tissue papers and cut it out in small tiny pieces. So this helps in saving the tissue papers. Repeat this for all of your designs. I totally love this set. It has ton of designs. I got around 5 plates with almost 30 designs in each one. It does take time, but you'll also have so much fun doing this, and the end results are amazing. I got this set from Amazon, and if you do want it, the link is in the description box. So do check it out if you want to buy it. And the MRP rate of this product is $9.99, and I got this set in discount, so I got it for about $5.99 rupees. I do know it's a bit expensive, but if you are a nail art lover, so I definitely recommend to get this item because it works good. Also comment down below if you have already used this set and tell me and everyone out there about your review as well. So that's it, your pretty nail art is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well. Happy crafting, guys!